What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new Pioneer DJ DDJ-XP2. So this is a nice new controller. It looks just like the DDJ-XP1, maybe just a little bit of differences here and there, but the main difference is that this can work with Rekordbox DJ and Rekordbox DVS, and it also now works with Serato DJ. It's an official Serato DJ accessory, so you have lots of pads here, and you have different performance pads on each side, so that way you can have a lot of different performance possibilities right here at your fingertips when using this with Rekordbox or Serato DJ. So right now we're just going to unbox it. We'll flash the original review at the end of this review so you guys can go see the XP1 and what we thought of that. But for now, we'll just unbox the XP2 to see what you get inside. Within the next week or so, we'll have the full out review video for you guys. So the first thing you get right off the bat is your regular USB cable. No USB Type-C here. This is your standard A and B. Oh, in here, looks like you also get some of your operating instructions, as well as Rekordbox DJ and Rekordbox DVS license. Alright, next up, I believe all that's left is the controller itself. It actually has a nice weight to it. I haven't actually touched one in a couple years now, so I haven't remembered that it actually feels pretty solid, pretty well built. It has your USB on the back along with the Kensington lock. Nice and shiny up at the top, and on the bottom it's a dull style of paint. It also has some really nice pads here. Nice and big as well. All the controls seem spaced out. You have your browse knob at the top. You also have your FX level controls here on the side. Instead of having your different knobs to control your FX, you have them here. So we'll go into this controller a lot more with the full review. We'll let you know what this thing does with Rekordbox. We'll also let you know what this thing does in Serato. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.